still rubbish simply because you do not see it. So now these are the ingredients for chin-chin. We have flour, we have margarine, we have nutmeg, we have sugar. Together with groundnut oil. We have flour. Ingredients for chin-chin. We have flour, we have margarine, we have sugar, and nutmeg. Nutmeg. No, some people don't use nutmeg, but I like using nutmeg. You know, the quality. It gives it flavor.
So instead of nutmeg, this flavor.
No, I say okay.
In the eyes of your beauty, your love is new every morning, and your faithfulness is ever shown. You are the great and mighty God, so greatly to.
Depends on the margarine, sugar, or nutmeg you use. Just the way we cook our food. If you want to cook rice, measurements of rice depends on Maggi or salt you put. So now I want to measure out just 3 cups of it. Because what I bought, other things I bought, I measured them just for 3 cups.
But is there anything like this?
Some people use baking powder, but I don't use it. But though most times I use it. But why I don't like using it is that most times you put baking powder when making chin-chin, it will end up making it to rise a bit. Make chin-chin doesn't make to rise. Baking powder is mostly used for buns. Then when it comes to donuts, you use yeast. Yes. But for buns, you use baking powder. This is this one. Give me
You're the great and mighty God, so greatly to be praised, beautiful for all situations. You are the great and mighty God, so greatly to be praised, beautiful for all situations.
It's not the normal cup they are using. Any liquid thing. You make sure before you put any liquid things such as margarine, water, you first and foremost finish with the dried ones. Now the first one I want to put here. This nutmeg is 1 sachet. I want to put just half of this for 3 cups. buns when making buns. We need more water in making buns, more than chin-chin. So it doesn't, and you can't just put more water. As you check it. Yes, if you try to put everything at once, it can't go. This one is now this is called a dough. Like the thick, the mixture. For baking, this is not why this one is chopping board. So, Olympian. Why this one is chopping board. Before you flat it on this chopping board for cutting, you sprinkle small flour. Why you sprinkling the flour? In order to, to be free while cutting it. In order to be free on the board while cutting it. Then you flat it.
Okay, this is called to flat.
Yes, flat it. Flat it very well. If you fry, you are waiting for. What of the rolling pin? You come and be picking. Just
Okay. That cut.
come and be picking. Picking it, like this now.
Your mercies endures forever. Your mercies are new every morning.
You use deep.
You are so gracious, so kind, so full of love. Your tender mercies have reached towards me. Your mercies endures forever. Your mercies are new